Hi everyone, welcome to the boring show. So come and code with me. So today I'm going to work on my open source project. You can check out my previous video for more information. And so this video is going to be me working on the project, and you will see me facing some error, and probably the video is not going to be cut or edited. So you just feel like you're coding with me, okay? That's what I wanted to make from this video. And so before we doing that, let's answer some of the questions that you guys asked me or comment on my previous video. So the first one is that he wanted me to show up the emails, sign up with email. Okay, so that's what I'm currently working on. So the project, the open source project that I'm working on is aimed to solve the way we do authentications with Supabase. Probably not solve, but it's just like show you how to do it in the productions, ready for production. So I planning on to doing it. So yes, is this my previous boilerplate still valid? Not really sure which one, but I think it could be, yeah, maybe it's not really valid. I think because Supabase updates a lot of UI, and also yeah, I'm not sure as well. So maybe I need to check on that one as well. Okay, let's move on to the second comment. So please include the tenancy. Example, you can manage user and company tenants and separate out data. I think this one with Supabase, if I'm not wrong, Supabase do not support multi-tenant. So Supabase multi-tenant. So from this one and also this one as well, I guess, like as of now, I checked this one before, probably they do not edit. So Supabase do not support multi-tenant, and so I cannot make this one as well. So I think maybe I need to explain more regarding the project that currently I'm working on. So to not to make it confused, because I mentioned Cluck, I'm not actually going to clone Cluck, to be honest. So maybe we can go into let's say what I'm building. So it's something like this. So for example, my plan is I'm gonna have like a documentation. So this is gonna be a documentation that inside this documentation I am going to have, like, for example, a pre-built component for you. Let's say, for example, sign up component, and then it's going to have this kind of component, right? And then if you want to use this component inside your application, you can just run the command like npx, like say super auth at signed up. And this is the thing that I'm working on. So that's a goal. And the component right here, it will not be just a component. It's not just like a UI, it's a full-fledged. So for example, in sign up, you probably going to have like, if you are using with Next.js, we're going to create like the actions file, and we're going to copy, like create like actions component for you. So action function, not component, like server action, that's what I meant. And so I make it a little bit bigger. So it can be like, you know, server action functions, maybe just like a function here. Yeah. So when you run this command, you will get both of this one and this one as well. So it basically everything is ready. So you can think of this one. So the project that I'm working on, it's just like Supabase boilerplate, but split into component, split into subpath. So if you want to add one of the paths, you can just use it. So the full boilerplate will have everything, but I mean, not everyone want to use everything, right? So that's why I make this one to split into, let's say, if you want just to sign up or signed in, so you can just use both of that. If you want to use middleware, you can just run that, you will get the middleware. That is the plan. And yeah, hopefully it's answer to your question. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it. So I only answer to these two comments. So if you watch this one, don't forget to comment below, and then so I'm going to try to answer it in the next video. So right now, my goal today, I'm going to build a documentation and connect to the package. So if you not follow me so far, yesterday I pushed this package right here. And right now, yesterday I adding the GitHub CI as well. Not really sure that it's the right way, but it's working. So every time that I push to GitHub, this master branch, it's pushed directly to my npm package. And so now today I'm probably not, maybe I'm going to update this one, but my goal is to building a documentation just like the chat.cn. So we go to chat.cn and it's something like this one right here. Okay, so for technology, I'm using this one. I'm using nexttra. So let's go to nexttra, get started. And I'm gonna choose not the document themes, and this is how to get started. So right now let's install this one. I'm using with npm. So maybe I need to create a project first. I haven't created a project yet. So nextjs doc, and let's go this one, installation. Make sure I'm using app router. I'm gonna choose this one, and let's go into desktops. Let's go to project. Okay, coding. I'm gonna make a new folder called super auth, and then we can cd into super auth, and then we can run this command right here. All right, so right now it's going to take a while. I think for me, I'm using nexttra. This one right here. I think I need to set up this one first. Okay, I'm using nexttra right here, and I see the previous video from web dev Cody. So if you not check, I think everyone know him. So he tell me that not he tell me, like in the video he says like the nexttra is dead. I haven't watched. I watched his video. This one maybe, wait, not sure. Yeah, goodbye nexttra right here. So you can check this one. So he also suggesting the new documentation, and I probably, for some of you who maybe wanted to find nexttra, is you can check out this video. Maybe I will check that one, the one that he mentioned, the Fuma. Yeah, this one right here. That's the one he mentioned, the Fuma. I need to close this one. Yeah, but right now I gonna stick with this one. And all right, so I think this one is something that it's built in the app directory, and for nexttra you need to build this one in the page directory, so you will have both app directory and page directory. So that's why he switched to this one. That's what I summary from the video. Anyway, right now the project is finished. Let's open this one in Visual Studio Code. All right, anyway, thank you for some of you who still watching still here. Okay. All right. I think maybe I do not need to install chat.cn. I'm just gonna focus on doing this one. Okay, next I need to install this. Okay. This is not the good. If you want to have my profile, like the VS Code profile, so you can see I'm choosing my profile right here. You can comment down below, or I don't know how to send you guys, but maybe join my Discord, ping me if you want this, themes or this profile. Okay, so right now we have our app directory. So we need to install two more things. This one we already finished. I'm going to install nexttra right here. Actually, I coded this one before as well in my previous video. So if you go into the daily web coding and you go into, not sure which videos, let's see. Yeah, this one right here. So if you wanted to build nexttra, so maybe I kind of forget what I'm doing, and so I will try to, you know, read off my previous code right here. So then it's gonna be easy. Okay. Alright, so installation is complete. I need to create a page directory right here, and let's do, for now, let's do the doc.tsx on this one. So let's follow the documentation. So first we need to do this one. Everything is all good. We need to add the configs right here. So for the config right here, this one, I think to speed things up on this one, I'm going to find the project that I used to do it before. Yeah, maybe learn nexttra right here, I guess. What I did before, so we can just copy and paste, so it's gonna be a lot better. So first, this one, I need to copy the next config. The next config is this one right here. Yes. Let's come back here and paste this one. So basically this one, the image remote pattern, maybe the next config here can be null. I'm gonna go to remove this one. I think I already installed nexttra, right? Why it's still showing me the red error right here? Ah, I import in the wrong place. So it should be going to the this one right here. So we can remove this one. So right now we adding the doc theme. So here, not really sure why, you know, when sometimes I save this one, it's getting like this. It's kind of slow. Okay, that's good. So come back here. We adding this one. Okay, right now let's go back to documentation. Let's see what we need to do next. Okay, the next step is we need to create a themes. Where am I? This one right here. Okay. So I'm gonna create a theme dot, what is it called? So themes.config.js. Okay. And I think I create a file, no? Themes.configs.jsx. So we can paste this one right here. Is this the same thing that I did here? Yeah, I did the same things on this one as well. Great. And do I need to add something else? Okay, that's it. This one, and then I just create a page and ran this one right here. Okay. So right now, let's go into this one. Let's go into the page. So instead of tsx, we're gonna do with mdx, and then we can just paste the content. So I think that pretty much it. So then we can just run npm run dev, and so we going to get this one. So npm run dev. Great. Now let's go back inside here. I think maybe I should close some of this one. Okay. So usually I don't really like close a tab, since today I'm doing this video, probably a little bit better to close the tab right here. So it's gonna be better. Okay, right now let's go into the localhost 3000. So for this one, you will face, like, if you put the same page name. So for example, this is going to be index page, right, inside the app directory, and inside the page right here, make sure that you don't put the path name that match this one. You will face the conflict. Okay. All right, so right now, hopefully if I navigate to doc, I should be able to see the documentation. So as you can see right here, it says it's compiling this one. That's great. Okay, right now it's working. I'm gonna do this one on the light mode. All right, that's nice. Great. And on the app directory right here, I'm going to remove this one and probably adding, let's say, waiting homepage, I guess. Yeah, homepage. And also for the global.css right here, I think maybe we can remove this one, or I'm going to install a chat.cn. Probably, I think maybe we can keep it for later. Okay, I guess that's it. Maybe we're gonna focus on building the page. So for the page right here, on this example, as you can see, we having this one display right here. Okay. All right. So I need to set up the, just like chat.cn. When we go, we have like get started, introduction. So it's something like this. Okay. All right. So we have the docs that do the introduction, just like this one. So maybe I'm gonna do exactly the same things for the doc right here. But right now we need to change this. So later on we need to change this one. No. This. And then where am I? Okay, that's nice. So I need to create like, instead of change the doc, what if I do like a docs inside here and then a docs here? All right, let me check this one first. So we got this one like a doc, then introductions. Then let's go to doc installation. Nope. It's only this one. Okay. What if I add the installation here? Installation mdx. Installation. Okay, so now it's going to be look something like this. This is not what I want. I want it on the same page. So maybe we can copy the meta. This one right here. Yeah. So inside the page right here, we're gonna do a meta.json. And the doc right here, title doc, display page. And it's gonna look something like this. What about installations? Installation. Okay, so it's worked, but we are not showing this one. Okay. All right, so maybe I guess I'm going to remove this file right here. And there you go. So right now we have this one. So, but I guess it's fine. Okay. I think I misspelled installations. It's actually correct, but it doesn't look right on this one. Okay, that's nice. So I need to add more page in here. So for example, is like getting started.mdx. Do chat.cn have getting started? Oh no, I use the introduction. All right, maybe we can add the same thing. Instead of getting started, we can just do introduction as well. Rename. Introduction. Okay, so this one we need to order things on this one. I think for order this one, we can go to page config, just like this. And then we need to create like the meta.json and put it right here. So so this is where we're going to order. So introductions and introductions. So basically we map the value from this one and into here. Okay, and then installations, and gonna go into installation. Right now, if we go back, so you can see introduction is on top, and then we have the installation right here. Great. So next up, we can create like a component on this one. So I need to find a way to add the separator right here. So you can see this is like a separator, but it's not having a page. Oh. Or maybe just a page. As you can see, we have like the seams. This one, but I do not know how. This is not a page, but it's like a section, right? Maybe let's go search for section. I'm gonna make this one on the light mode. Sorry guys. Do we have like, okay, this one? Oh yeah, the sidebar right here. Oh, this is like a separator. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Do we put it in the seams? And also we need to add the separator on this one as well. Okay, let's actually try this one. And let's go to a seam. Okay, this is not fine, I guess, if you look on this one. Maybe should I disable this one? It's like an ESLint next line. Disable. No? Alright, maybe I need to check this one. Okay. This one right here. Alright. Wait, nice. It's a lot better. Okay, so right now we have this one. Okay, so as you can see right now it has like the arrow because it marked this one. Maybe if the type equals separator, and then we're gonna do this. If equal to about question mark L, we just do this one. Okay. I guess right now we just gonna test the documentation from the documentation first, and later we're gonna see what has happened. Right here. Yep, this one. We intro, and this is like, okay, so this is a separator. Why separator look something like this though? I guess we can do this one. So for example, if we have a dock, I need to add like this. Okay, so you can see we have the separator right here. We can change the separator to like a documentation. If you look at the chat CN, it's like, oh, it says getting started. Okay, getting started. So we have the getting started as well. I think the style is from the seams right here. Oh yeah, this one right here. So you can see. I'm not going to do this. Okay, maybe we add like the font weight of this one to bold. So it will be something like this. Okay, that is really nice. And right now I'm just adding doc, and we do not have introduction. This is going to be a component, right? Just like Shatians, and we do not this one. We go back. There you go. So right now we have this one. The arrow pointing right here, I'm going to remove it. If we go to seams, just adding this one. I think this is really nice actually. Like for example, if we wanted to add some specific icons to some specific link, just like for example the chat CN right here, we can you know, do like a new and things like that. So that is a bit really easy. Okay, that's good. Right now I'm not gonna care too much about the styling, so my goal is just like to build a dock and connect it to the package. Later on we can update it a little bit better. Right now let's try to create a component. So for the component right here, do I need to create a dock? Let's see, for shotcn, each of this one is going to be dock and then inside a component folder. So for that, I'm probably going to create a new component right here. What's going to happen? Oh. Okay. And what if I do like a sign up .md8? So this thing. Okay, so right now the component is inside this one. It should be below. That's what I want. Right, yeah. Well, what if I put everything inside the dock right here? So you will have like a dock. Oh no. Yeah, I need to create a file like the meta.json. I need to copy this one and paste it right here. So now it will look something like this. Great. Okay, but the separation is not correct. So for separation here is not correct. Like the dock getting started component. Okay. So basically I just need a map installations introduction to introductions. Another one is going to be installation to installation. Yes. So right now it's very nice. I can just put like the component below here. Not this one. And then another separator, and then the whatever, like the components. Okay, I guess we can do something like this. So the component is going to be a page. It's like components right here. Title. Components. Hopefully that this is gonna work. Oh, okay, so you can see right now it's working as expected. So just like a shotcn right here. Very nice. But it's not showing up on the screen of this one. Okay, let's see. A page. Should I create another meta? Not JSON? Be like sign up is gonna go into the sign up component. Actually, the mapping is correct. So for example, if I go into like a component, and you will see something like this. But the thing is like it's not displaying on this one. If I navigate here, the component here is gone. So as you can see, maybe I need to do is just adding like a component, like a sign up. Or should I put it in here? Not sure what's going on. Alright, I'm tripping right now. This one and this one. What if a separator and it's inside a component? I think maybe one thing, if I do not adding this one, it's gonna work fine. So for example, it will have this component right here, you can see, but it's not what I want. We'll need separate component. And what is this? Should be signed up, right? Huh. Not sure why do we have this too. Okay. Alright, that should be once only. And yeah, I think the idea of putting the page is nice, but a doc map this one. Then we have the components, so it's not displaying in here, so that is the problem. Like, I'm gonna add like a component below here. So the component right now should stay below. And if I want this one not to be dropped down, I need to convert into the page. Like, just like this one. But if I navigate here, it's not working. Huh, ah, okay. Okay. What if I create like a link to this one? So for example, I can create like a sign up here. Sign, maybe just, yeah, we can just create like a sign up, right? Maybe like this. So you will have this one, but when I click, it should link. So is there any way that I can do like not type this one, signed ups? We're gonna link to. Yeah, so I need to read documentation on this one. Link. Not link, edit links. Yeah, subdoc right here. Title this one, type is gonna be page. We're gonna, as you can see, we can just do page ref, right? Hopefully. Slash docs. Maybe let's say slash component. Sign up. Okay, that's good. Very nice. Just do the docs here. And then make sure that inside our component, I'm going to create assign up.mdx. Let's give it a space, I guess. Does it already exist? Okay. This one already exists. So we map sign up to sign up. So it means inside here, we're gonna do this one. We go back and we go to sign up. Doc. Huh, if I add the docs right here, it's going to do duplicate. That's weird, right? So, and right now, if I go to this one, okay, now it's working. Not sure why we have two of this one. Huh. Okay, it's still wrong. Yeah, we add some breadcrumb as well. I think that there's a lot of things that we can do. Like a breadcrumb. I'm probably not gonna check this one. Right now, I just want to make sure that this one is working. Display hidden, it's just this one. That is something that I do not know. I'm stuck right now. Maybe I need to check if I do it before. I think I used to do it before though. Let's watch my own YouTube video. YouTube's right here. Not this one. Not this one. It's going to be, oh my god, I need to type this one. Oh, my brain is not functioning. I haven't it's breakfast yet. So I think after this one I'm gonna eat. Let me finish this one first. I'm gonna finish what I want. So what I want right now is that it's just like Shatien. So as you can see, it has like a nested component, and then this one, which I already done here, so you can see. But when I navigate, it's out and then it reappear. So this is not looking good. Let's see if I used to do this one before, and so it's going to be easy for me to just copy and paste. I think I do not have a code about docs, blah blah blah, about us. I think I did not doing it. I'm sure. I am sure I'm not doing that. Okay, I never done this one before. I never. Okay, I guess it's alright, maybe. We have this API. There's no like another folder inside, like the doc slash, and then slash another one. Maybe let's check nested folder. Okay. Like a fruit. Page fruits banana. Fruit meta external links. Contact hidden. Do I have like 2 things? Subdoc. So on the subdoc example, I'm going to find it easy for you to start. What if this one, all I need to do is just do this one. Right. Doc, getting started. Installation. Not this one. Alright, so this is not error, this is like stuck. Let's go. Okay. I think my brain is not functioning right now. This one. The start page right here is wrong. I just make that as into every page. If I want to display outside, I can do this one. What if this one is like, will it work? Huh. Okay. This one. But the thing is, like, right now it's working as expected. But the thing is, like, it's not active. So you can see, like, this one is not active. So it's navigate to the right page, this one. But it's not active. If I close this one, we do not see it. Ooh. Let me think. Nexttra. Nested. Link. Not sure. Okay. Well. Okay, so right now I need to make this one working. This one, so for example, they just having the page, but they do not have like another nested folder inside. So power of talk. What is talk? Bundle size. Repo. This is like putting the path to it. Okay. Like a bit more advanced here. Come on. This is not what I want. This is like a separator, type separator. Okay. It's confusing. Display hidden. Here this. Can I do like this one, components? What's gonna happen? I think it has the keyword items, and the items right here is going to, yeah, that's what I see. It's not showing anything. Ah, the item here is just a menu. My bad. Okay, I guess I am done with this one, guys. Maybe let's move this one outside. Gonna move this one outside. So when it's moved outside, it's going to look something like this. But I can cut this one. Then I put the meta right here. Page components. Ah. Okay, so the more that I update on this one, the more it's getting worse and worse. Okay, so sign up right here. All right, so this is like another separate page on this one. So what if I do not adding this one? What happens if I still navigate to the dock installations? And then I navigate to this page right here. Huh. This is not what I want. I think because it separates the page, that is why it's doing something like that. As of now, I do not know. Maybe we'll just make it simple, I guess. We do not have like to split things, so we it's nice to have a separator, but we kind of like do not need this one. So I'm gonna remove, like actually remove everything. Everything, I mean everything. So for example, right here we can create installation .mdx. What's L? And for example, the components can get the components, and then let's say signed up .mdx. Yeah. Right here. This one, okay. All right, great. What happened if I made components? Type to page. So we go with this one. Okay, maybe let's not doing it. I think we can keep simple, keep things doing like this. It's fine. And yeah, I guess this is fine. Let's. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with this approach, probably a little bit better. I spent like an hour trying to do the same thing, just like what we do so far, like a shot CNs right here. Probably I will try to find a way to do it, but as of now I cannot do this one, so I'm gonna skip it. So let's move on, I guess. Let's move on from here, from this one. Made that right here. Okay, I guess we need to do some mapping. So installations. So installation as well. And then we're gonna do introductions.mdx. Then we need to do introduction on here as well. I think this one should be on top, right? Okay, that's good. Gonna have like a meta.json right here. Sign up. What if I do this. like a minus, or maybe a space would be fine, I guess. Great. Okay, so right now this one, I'm gonna push this one to GitHub's. Beat init supa auth doc. Let's git push this one. I need to create a repository. Super auth. And then let's create this one. Let's push this by running git remote and git push. Okay, so right now I push to here, so you guys can check out on this one. So for this one is maybe I need to create an issues, update the sidebar to look like chat CN. So if you wanted to do that one as well, so you can go ahead and do work on this one. So basically, as you can see, let me explain. They have like a doc introduction, but then if we go into, let's say this one, it's going to installation. But if I go to this one, it's going to be doc component and slash this one. Okay. I did so far, but it's not working. So it's kind of sucks. Anyway, right now we finish one of our tasks, which is this one right here. So the next step I'm going to do is connect to the package. So I think in order to connect this one, it's actually really simple. So I'm going to add the chat CN's installation. So for example, npx right here. So I'm gonna init the chat CN inside this one. So we're going to the component that I'm building. I'm mixing like between a chat CN's component, with this one. Okay. So let's go into New York. Follow 6 and yes. Great. So right now this is like the component, and we're going to write our components there. So for example, chat CN is going to do something like this. I'm gonna run one of the command right here. So this is what it's going to add to this one. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to create like an auth component. Like for an auth component, I'm going to create like a signed up.tsx, and then I'm going to write the signed up right here. Okay. And then if I this one, and let's just do right now. Signed up. And for the sign up right here, we can import it inside our component sign up right here as well. So we can do import. I think that was a lot right here. We import sign up from. So we get out of current directory and then get out from here and then get out from here and then go into here. And then we're going to go into here and then we're going to go into sign up. Why I always like not say sync up, not sign up. And then sign up right here. And so we can just import the sign up. Let's go into our page. this one. So you can see this is what we get from our signing up. If you go into here and then say like hello world on this one, so you will get the hello world. So later on this is like the component, so then we can build this one and we can preview it right here. That is the goal as well. That is the plan. And so right now, since we have this one, I'm gonna push this one, git add, git commit, let's say feed init signed up components. So right now we're gonna push this one right here. So when we push this one, and as of right now, I need to go into update super auth right here. I need to clone since this is my new, I work on a new computer. I'm gonna go into here. So git cloned. Alright, so this is, I'm cloning this one, cd super auth package. Let's go into here. So the only thing that I need to do is just like, for example, as of right now, I'm going to just change the link here to the component that I just pushed, this one. So if you go into the components and like the auth right here, I just, can I get the raw file? Okay, I can view this one and get the raw file of this one. And I can just paste this one. Going inside this. And probably this is my new project. I need to run the npmi. And yeah, so right now if I need to push this package again, so let's do it. Maybe I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to, so we can run this one in our local. It's going to be working. So to test this one, first we need to run npm links on this one, and then we can just do npx supa auth add sign up. So this is going to create like a signed up file, so you can see, which is not from here. Okay, I see. So it's not taking from this one. I get it. On this, so because I need to build this one first. So in order to make this one work, I need to run npm run build. So then it is going to compile into this file. And then if I ran this one again, so it's going to fetch from this file. So you can see it's nice. It's working. Great. So make sure I do not mess up this one. Huh, did I install some things? Yeah, look like I'm installing something here on the package. Really? Okay, I changed this one to this one. Ah, suka. Wait. Yeah, I think this is all good. I think I do not do anything. I do not need to do anything. So I'm gonna check out -b. So we're gonna work on a feature, let's say v1 on, let's say for example v4 or v3, v4, right? Since this is like 0, 3, so I'm going to work on v4. So basically I'm just gonna change this one to 0, 4, and then that's it. So right now let's push this one. And then I need to make a merge request to this one. Going back, super auth package. Go to pull request, new pull request, v4 right here. Huh. Okay. Oh, I see. I forgot to run git add. Git add. Do I have a git log here? No. Okay. Nice. Git commit beat. You know, v4. I do not know what v4 is. Next with supa auth da and git push. Okay, and right now we can do like a pull request. Okay. See the file chain. So we just change the link here, change the versions, and then when we compile, we change the new link here again. All right, that's good. And we can just rebase. Actually, like this one. So the next step, probably each of the feature branch should be like wait a little bit before we push, and that is the goal. But right now, I just wanted to make sure everything is connected, so it's all good. Here we go here. Now I'm gonna go into CI. It's build right now. It's build complete. That's good. Go into npm's package. So npm right here. You can search for supa auth. Great. So right now you can see we have v4 and we just push a new code. So great. And we can run this one anywhere we want. So let's actually test this one out. Where I'm gonna test it. Okay, let's test this one. Learn nexttra. Okay. Code this one. And then what I need to do is just npx supa auth. What's at sign up. Okay. And now it returned successfully. This one. Voila. Great. So it's finished. I am finished this one. So basically we connect this one. So that is great. Right now, that's the to-do that I'm doing today. It's been an hour. So the next step, I'm going to create the component, build a component on this one, and I also need to, you know, update this one as well. Maybe I need to list it or make an issues inside that so I can remember easily. Sidebar just like chat.cn. Another one is going to update you know, page info. Update page info. Okay. For example, like page now bar title, links to GitHub project, or maybe link to like, you know, a Discord as well. Link to a Discord as well. What else do I want? Yeah, this is like the basic component. Okay. I just want to complete. Okay, I think maybe. Okay, I guess. Footer. Maybe we like update page info plus scene. Yeah, I guess this is now. Probably it's. I can remember this one later, so it's gonna be a lot easier. Let's go into the issues. Is build sign up UI. Great. Maybe for the sign up UI, I do not know yet what it's gonna look like. For UI, and I'll decide later when implement. Okay. So this is a task that I'm going to do the next step. And then for regarding the package right here, the code of the package, for example, the fetching and things like that, maybe I will come back after I finish the other task. So I'm gonna come back and update this one is more modular rather than plain like this one. Okay, I think that's all for today. So hopefully you enjoyed this boring show, and you know, I'm actually wanted to do a live stream as well, but as of now I do not have any webcam yet. So the video that you see here is from my phone. So when I have a webcam, probably I can, you know, do live stream. The other plan is probably going to go to Discord and live stream in Discord, and so I recording there, so it's gonna be a lot better. So if you want, come and talk with me inside the stream, or just like, you know, a live chat inside the Discord when I'm do the coding as well. That's probably a good idea as well, I guess, since I probably not planning to buy any webcam anytime soon. So all right, so as always, thank you for watching. Just don't forget to subscribe here, and see you in the next video. Peace.